Hello, welcome to Strange Transport videos. Not much yet here, just just playing with soil and stuff. Somewhere just before Cook, basic, which is where the first stop today will be to get off. Not sure where else, but we'll keep going onwards and see. This is the third day, so one more day to get to Perth, basic. So sit back and enjoy it. Alright, just at Cook, it's very hot out here, 33 degrees. Unfortunately I decided not to have shorts on, so yeah. Right, just give you a look around this, I haven't got long, but yeah. Memorial Rock. You can pause to read that and then presume press play. Here's in the middle of nowhere again. Here's the signs, so Sydney and Perth, Sydney that way and Perth that way. Toilet school that way, both directions facing that way. Yeah, and one's on us, severe back. And so. Here's the embassy. See the coach there, here. Got a piece of train tracks here. Should say. Some jail cells over there. Just give you a look around quickly. Might show you a little bit of the inner suit while I'm walking past. Just gotta get back on the train now. Stopping to it tonight, it'll go into Kalgoorlie, but not too much of that, and we'll be in a last place tomorrow. It's so far been great experience with Indian Pacific. I don't know. Just going back to the carriage, it's quite a bit of a long walk, basic. Very humid to walk in this condition. Anyway, almost there to the Coach D that I need to get into. So, not so much more. I might just do some from the window next. I'll see how much more film until tonight, at least the latest. Yeah, departing Cook.
No, we're not departing.
in our new looker, spotter looker, while the train's going.
Must be the airstrip, see that? Must be an airstrip.
Could be an airstrip over there. Roughly. Our new train spotters are enjoying the trip.
What you jump at?
2 NRs again, NR 25 in the Pacific was on this one, and it has silk carriage also. Just arriving at our next destination for today. This will be the last one for today, and yeah, we'll continue on to another spot tomorrow for the final trip. I'll give you the place location soon. Yeah, just posting another freight, as I said. Not sure I'll run on this because who knows what they could be. That's a long way from home.
Oh, I see it. that's what I thought first.
And there's one of those green wagons again.
But I saw the one closer to it.
There's those types of special ones. RLSY, that is.
What are they great white that mound out the way? Yeah, she asked him, he didn't know. There's rock out there. He's going to try and find out.
Is it in your book? You haven't reached that page in your book yet.
Is there a page in the book about it?
I don't know, I'll have to read it.
It's not a geologist, are you a geologist? Trying to find out what
Anyway, as I go through these doors and get back to the regular carriage, I'll wrap the clip up. So, E, please subscribe and like to the channel. And for the video, this is the end of day 3. Day 4 is the last one. I didn't need to do it. So yeah, this is B day, end of day 3, day 4 tomorrow, the last day where the Institute should get into Perth in the afternoon. So yeah, please subscribe and like to the channel and play the video. I will see you next time.